Hey everyone, I got this little project I figured I'd share with you. What we're going to be doing today is making some of these. These are just basically stoppers that go behind the blades because they use for cutting notches in cardboard and stuff like that. So here we go. You guys can see it. And what we're going to do is we're going to make them out of aluminum. This big bar here. Originally we tried doing it out of some PVC, but it just doesn't keep long enough. So I don't know if you can see it here, but there's a line where I've already marked this out. We're going to go put it in the bandsaw and cut everything, and we'll see how it comes out. We've got some milling to do, some lathe stuff to do, and we'll get going. Alright, so we've got things set up in the bandsaw here, and we're going to do 3 or 4 of these. So I'm not going to cut on the line, because bandsaws are known for not cutting straight, and I know my blade's getting a little worn. So we'll chew it up on the milling machine after. So I'll just tighten it down. Now to do repetition, I've got this stopper here on the bandsaw, and we're just going to put it there. So I probably left about a little bit more than 1/8 of an inch extra, and we'll cut that. Alright, so what I have to do next now is give myself some nice square edges to work with. The camera doesn't want to focus on this, but when it does, I don't know if you can tell, but the edges aren't square. And this is also where the line is where we cut. And I got to machine it down there. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this edge here and square it up, and then we'll flip it and we'll bring it right down to our right size, which is 2.5 inches on the dot. So, away we go. Okay, so we got ourselves a nice square corner here. Machined it, just take a regular square, and you can see here. Got a nice straight square. So now we're going to flip it over. We're going to go get our width. Alright, so we're going to go here and measure. And at one edge we have 2.72. At the other end we have 2.675. So it's really way out there. We're looking for 2.5, which is 2.5 inches. So let's get ourselves down to a spot where we get a square reading, and we'll start taking some measurements. Alright. So we're 2.63, 2.625, so we're getting not too bad there. So let's mark this at 2.5, so we can now just give ourselves a little bit, we'll go 2.51. So that'll give us a nice spot for it to little tricks here. Bring that down. perfect here, but got about 10 thou, 15 thou. Just do some cleanup. That'll be close enough. Get us there. Okay, I had to charge the battery there, but here we're coming back to these parts. They've been chewed up, and this is me cutting the first channel. Try and get you a little closer there. See if it'll focus. So there we go. There's the first of 2 slots. I gotta make 1 3/4 and another one 5/16. Alright, so I cut the channels. This is going to be for the washless go that holds these bolts on for the part. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to machine the channel for the bolt where it goes, which is actually a 5/16. You can see on the back there, that's where it kind of welded in. This one, it's not. Not getting that off easy. So we'll go sand it off. It's here, we gotta make these round. So I made this jig up, and I want them true on there. So just take a regular speed square, making this one down, turn it over. Two. Now I got that on there. I'm going to turn these down to a total of 3 inches. I got to start at the corner. So I'm just going to make this turn. Take this off. You can see it's just hitting there. So that'll be good. Well, it's coming. Since we're here, we might as well just tighten all these up just to make sure. With the heat, sometimes they expand. They're pretty good. And I'll give you a show of what it looks like when we're done machining right here. So these are the parts when we're done. I'll take a video of them machining up. Pull these off. There's one. There's two. Wow. So here we go. One of them. Just put in the sander there to deburr it a bit. There's the other one. Back to back. There they are, good to install. Okay, so we started with this one, then our block of aluminum, and we managed to machine 4 pieces. All set to go. This what you can see here is where the knives will notch in, and they're all carbide, so they'll eat through the aluminum like nothing. And that's it. Off to the customer.